Hello, third graders. Today, our learning target is, I can identify similarities and differences of the main ideas and supporting details between three informational texts. Today, you will be doing just that. You will identify similarities and differences of the main ideas and supporting details between the three informational texts we have read this week. You will need access to fresh water, population growth, and water pollution, your journal page 3 for water around the world, and a pencil. First, pause the video and read your journal pages from lessons 16, 18, and 19. You will review the main ideas of the texts and the supporting details for all of those main ideas. Pause the video now and read about it. Now that you've reviewed your notes, think about these things. Again, similarities are things that are the same. Differences are things that are not the same or different. Pause the video and talk about the following questions. How are the main ideas of the three informational texts the same? How do you know? How are they different? Pause the video now and talk about it with a family member or friend. Remember, you can reference your notes. Now that you've talked about the similarities and differences in the main ideas, talk about these questions. How are the supporting details of the three informational texts the same? How do you know? And how are they different? Pause the video now and talk about the supporting details and their similarities and differences. Now that you've thought about it and talked about it, let's write about it. On page 3 of your journal, write evidence about how the main ideas and supporting details of the three texts are similar and different. For example, a similarity of all three texts is that they deal with a problem with water. Complete the rest of the journal page on your own. When you're finished, share it with your teacher, a family member, or a friend. Thank you, third graders.